graders, happy Wednesday. Today is February 1st, 2023, and today we are going to assess our prior knowledge of the Ocean, Atmosphere, and Climate unit. So we are going to be taking another pre-assessment. Yay! We are going to be talking about it here in just a little bit. So we'll be taking the pre-assessment, and then you'll be doing some vocabulary Quizlets here in class to start preparing for the unit and learning some vocabulary words. Remember that you should be in your assigned seats and you should be listening to your teacher. And then in your agenda, you hopefully wrote down a couple things about what you know or what you think of when you hear ocean, atmosphere, and climate. And I look forward to checking in with those tomorrow when we check our agendas. And remember that I'm going to be closing the last unit, Earth, Moon, and Sun. So please make sure that you have that submitted, everything in that unit submitted here before the end of the week. Remember that it is really important that you hold yourself accountable, because we're holding you accountable to have a charged Chromebook every day. So make sure that that Chromebook is charged and that you come to school ready to learn. All right, so remember that our pre-assessments, they're used so that we can see just how much we already know about a unit. The grade that you get for it won't go in the grade book as a grade. It'll just go in as participation. So it's important that you take it so that we can see how much you grow over the course of this unit, and also so that we can see just where everybody is at this point, so we know that if students have already covered something in a previous class when they were younger, then we can kind of dig deeper into that section of the unit. So please try your very best, because you are awesome and you can, and I look forward to seeing what you already know about the ocean, atmosphere, and our climate. Here are your exit directions before you get started. Remember that you should get into the new Ocean, Atmosphere, and Climate folder, go into the pre-unit work folder, and then the pre-assessment is the first thing listed, and then there's a folder for the vocabulary, which you will find a bunch of links, and then you can just pick whichever one you want to do some vocabulary activities when you're done. All right, I hope you have a fabulous Wednesday, and I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Bye!